Okay, so let's start today's session. So the first problem will be okay. So the primitive translation vectors of a hexagonal space lattice are given. where A1 is this, A2 is this, and A3 is simply Cz. We need to determine the volume of the primitive unit cell. So let's try and then I will solve. So anybody got the answer?
Sir, I think HCP is the reciprocal of the same HCP, but
Okay.
A vector, sir, volume of the HCP means 3 root 3 A square C by 2 formula, or otherwise A vector dot B vector cross C vector, sir.
Right, you're right. Okay, so let me solve it. So one way is to obviously guess that or remember that HCP formula, but in general, the formula for volume is given by this A1 dot. This is basically the triple product mod. Okay, and this we can easily write it in a determinant form. Let's say this is not I x cap, y cap, z cap. So first row will be A1 root 3 by 2 A by 2. This is x component, this is y component, and then the z component is nothing, so 0. So HCP means something like this. So C will be the z perpendicular axis or A3 here, and A1 and A2 will be in plane. Okay, so for A1 and A2, z component is 0. Similarly for A3, x and y component is 0 because this is out of plane. So if we found this determinant, very easy to found if we fix this one as a base. So C into, so basically 3 by 2 A square 2 into by 2 into C. So this is the correct answer. Okay. So next question. Okay, so some repetitive question may come, but any.
কেমন আছিস?
Oh, hello.
হ্যাঁ,
Second.
শরীর কেমন?
হ্যালো, একটু পরে কথা বলি, ক্লাস নিচ্ছি।
ক্লাস নিচ্ছিস?
হ্যাঁ,
কোথাকার?
অনলাইনে ক্লাস করাতে হয় আমাদের।
ক্লাস কর। দলিল দুটো তোদের, তোর বাবা কই?
বাবা বাইরের দিকে আছে।
ঠিক আছে, কর। আমি
Okay, so the question is angle of reflection of neutron beam from a crystal of interplanar spacing is 30 degree. So we need to determine the speed of the neutrons. Okay, so let's try to find out. So essentially given is d interplanar spacing and the angle, glancing angle theta. So this is given 30 degree. Okay, so what you can determine is lambda from that Bragg's relation, 2d sin theta equal to n lambda. So nothing has been mentioned, means this is first order peak, n equal to 1. So from lambda you need to determine the velocity v for neutrons.
Sir, 3.84 Armstrong.
uh, yeah, this is 3.84, d equal to 3.84.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
The fourth assignment. I think Miller, are you given the direction of Miller indices? How to find the two direction given, sir? That means how to find out the Miller indices. And another one is powder formula. Are you calculating the S values? The two questions also having the some doubt.
Okay, so
Before that,
let us solve this problem and then please tell me the your doubts
not
again, or it is
okay.
related to that question, this question.
Not any idea. No problems is related that not solved before that all the classes. I'm also
Okay.
refer the book. That time also I not conclude the idea. That's only I'm asking.
Okay, so which books are you are referring, you guys?
Sir, I am referring only two authors I am having, Wahab and S.O. Pillai, Solid State Physics.
First one is what?
Wahab,
Okay.
M.A. Wahab and S.O. Pillai,
Okay.
Solid State Physics.
Okay. So every book
If
is
it's
good, but
possible for, are you given that reference book? I think Tucker and Kenny, that is PDF format. If it's available, means are you send that
even
NPTEL?
even it is available. We are not allowed to share actually. I mean, anyone is not
Okay,
allowed to share the pirate copy. Those are
okay,
available.
okay, sir. No
But
problem.
I can say that
That PDF format I am not having, sir. That one is problem. Okay, sir. I will refer it.
Ibeck and Luth. This is one
Yeah.
book, Ibeck and Luth, Solid State Physics. So this will be a bit advanced, but this is nice. So on the advanced level, this is one of the most easily written book. Okay, so you can refer this one actually along with SO Pillai. So SO Pillai is
Sir, once again, are you repeat?
this is the author's name. Okay, Ibeck and Luth, Solid State Physics by Ibeck and Luth.
Sir, that is available for library science, the PDF format? Any network?
Uh, it's
This is
actually
foreign author,
available.
I think.
It is actually available online. If you find it a bit, it will you will get.
Payment only.
No, 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 not payment. You can use
Okay,
Jet
sir. I will
Library.
find it. No.
You can use Jet
Thank you so
Library
much.
or some other means LibGen maybe.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Jet Library or these are not maybe legal to write, but anyway, yeah. So these are two sources. Okay, so anyone solved this problem? Got any answer or any idea how to solve or how to find the velocity? Lambda we can easily find from this one, right? If not, then let me solve it. So we have 2d sine theta equal to n lambda. Now 2 into 3.84 sine 30 equal to lambda. So this means lambda will be 3.84 angstrom. Okay, so this is lambda, but we need to find the velocity. Now if we de Broglie hypothesis or formula, so for so what it says is that the lambda or the wavelength of a wave is equal to h Planck's constant by the momentum p. So h by mv. So this Planck's constant in SI unit is 6.6 into 10 to the power 34 joule second. M for neutron's mass will be somewhat 1.67 into 10 to the power 27 kg. So from this relation we can actually easily found the velocity. So velocity will be h by m lambda. So 6 point into 10 to the power 34 by into lambda. So 3.84 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter, right? This will be meter per second. Okay, so the answer comes out to be in CGS unit 1.03 into 10 to the power 5 semi per second. So this will be the velocity. So this way we can find the even the velocity for other waves, right? If you are given proper information. Okay, so what was your confusion or doubt before moving to the next problem? Hello, Renuka Devi, can you please repeat your doubts?
Sir, two direction of two planes in the two direction given, sir, in the Miller indices. The
Okay.
intersection of two planes, or you find out the Miller indices. Direction of the plane given, or you find the Miller indices means how can find out, sir?
Okay. So I think I have to see the question to fully understand. It is in which assignment, by the way?
Fourth one,
Okay, fourth one. So
this
I'll
week's
have a look.
assignment.
Okay, okay. And the next one,
Next one, Fowler diffraction method. Are you calculating the S value? That is the confusion, sir.
S value means the structure factor.
Not structure factor. Fowler diffraction method.
Mm-hmm. S value means what?
Diffra- the given that are you calculate S1, S2, S3 and radius value like that.
Okay,
That is little bit confusion, sir.
okay. Actually, I have to see the assignment.
Okay, sir,
Otherwise,
no problem.
hmm,
After that, are you free time or you can see, sir?
yeah. And someone raised hand. So, do you have any doubts? Who raised hands? Any other person have any doubts? So I'll see the fourth assignment and come back. Okay, so let me move to the next problem then. Okay, so the question is the molecular weight of rock salt is given 58.5 kg per kilomole, and then its density is also given. Now we need to find the granting space D100 of rock salt. So sorry, not granting, grating space. So what is grating space? Grating space basically the interlayer distance or interplanar distance D. So in the X-ray diffraction, what we usually use. Okay, so this is 100 that we need to find out. So let's try to find out and then I'll solve. Okay, so let me solve the problem. So what we have? So molecular weight we have, and then its density is also given, right? So then we can find the volume of the system. So it will be the volume. So volume is mass by density. Now density is directly given. Now mass we need to find out, and we can find out, let's say that it is given the molecular weight and the Na value, right? So mass will be molecular weight is 58.5, and then per mole how many atoms are there or how many molecules in this case, 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. So this will be kg. So this will be around 2.16 into 10 to the power. Just wait a minute. Sorry, this way we cannot directly find the mass, but what we can do is
Sir, I think A value are you calculated means rho equal to Nm by
That is also another
NAQ.
formula. M by, what will be that? A cube, right?
NAQ.
That is another
Avogadro
way.
number AQ.
So here N will be 2 molecules per unit cell are there basically. So,
Excuse me, sir.
mhm.
Sir, I have solved this question and I got the answer of 5.65 angstrom. Is it correct?
So you are saying D100 is 5.65
.65 angstroms.
angstrom. Uh, no, D100 is not 5.65 angstrom.
I think A value is like that.
So what we need to find is the atomic spacing, right? Grating space, right? So the atomic spacing that we need to find. Okay. So how do you get 5.65?
Sir, I have used the formula volume equal to mn by rho and I think rock salt is FCC.
Rock is FCC. Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. So I have multiplied 4 times of mass. Sorry, molecular weight.
Okay. Uh, Actually, here also I think the solution is wrong. The PDF I am following. So I also have to solve it from scratch to know the correct answer. But okay, so I'm noting this down because I'm doubting the solution of that my PDF also. So let's postpone this question and I'll solve it on the next session. Okay. Otherwise, a wrong answer can arise.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so let me give the next question. So two questions basically. সেই তো মুশকিল। শুরুতে থাকলে ডাইরেক্ট একটু প্রতিদিন হচ্ছে না, কি করে হবে? আসলো মনে হচ্ছে, দেখো। Okay, sorry guys, I got disconnected due to internet connection. So no. Okay, so there are two questions basically. So the powder diffraction pattern of a BCC crystal is recorded by copper K alpha radiation using X-ray of wavelength 1.54 angstrom. Now the HKL of the plane is given, and we need to find also the angle is given. We need to find the lattice parameter. And the second question is atomic mass of the constituent atom is given in AMU unit. Okay, the density of the crystal we need to find out in the units of kg per meter cube. So let's try. So note that in the first case we need to find out the lattice parameter, not the interplanar spacing. Okay.